are you opening?
Yeah? It's open!
Nice.
It's gonna go backwards.
Now you go. Are you going backwards?
No, forward!
Okay, forward. That's better. How many you have? You have many train.
Yeah.
Now you close again.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then-
Emily, helping.
Yeah?
Emily, are you helping David?
Okay.
That's nice.
And the door's locked.
Yeah. It's locked.
Now this door's open.
Okay.
Now close.
Now it's closed. Yeah. Okay.
Close.
Closed.
Close.
Okay.
It's open now.
How about it?
And
Now it's open again.
yeah.
Tuk tuk train. Tuk 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 tuk
No,
train.
forward.
Forward now.
Yes, it's going forward.
When is it gonna go over the bridge?
It's...
Maybe close.
Huh?
Then it goes over the bridge, Masha. Or under the bridge next, maybe.
And it's a
Wow, it's long train. Hey,
grass. It's a heavy.
it's a crash.
It's heavy.
It's too heavy for us.
Too heavy for Buster Dad.
Yeah.
And that
Okay.
is very heavy.
Tuk tuk train. It's locked, Emily.
It's locked.
Yeah, it's locked. You have to drive under the bridge. But
And then...
tuk tuk train. Tuk 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 tuk.
Buster Dog.
Tuk tuk train.
Buster Dog.
Tuk tuk train.
Oh no, it's too heavy.
Oopsie.
Look. This is it. Look.
What's going on? Tuk tuk train.
Go.
Ah,
Under the bridge.
under the bridge. Here we go. Tuk 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 tuk. Tuk tuk. Tuk tuk. Train is coming. Now it's going here.
Yeah. Around.
Nice.
Now five inches on the bridge. Not the boot.
Ah, bridge is kaputt.
Yeah.
Pippi Lager.
Yeah.
Okay. Pippi Lager here. Let me put this here.
Now.
So now it's okay. Hey, someone is there in the way. What do you do about it? Ah, what do you do about it? Try more, Masha, David. Try more. Tuk 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 tuk.
Oh no!
Oh no, what's going on here?
The fountain's on the way!
Maybe he better goes in the back.
The fountain's
Whoa,
crazy.
so far.
Let's go fast. This was,
Yeah, but on the back.
yeah. It needs new wheels.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Tuk 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 train train.
No,
There we
it's
go.
a mouse.
It's what?
Mouse on track.
Okay.
His diesel's broken.
Ah, is diesel broken?
Yeah.
Looks fine to me. Okay, see how far it can go. Whoa,
It has diesel.
it's diesel train.
Yeah.
Nice.
One diesel goes here.
Yeah. How about it?
And that diesel
There is diesel.
here.
There is diesel. Nice.
And it's many diesel.
I believe you. How many diesel does it need?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10 now.
Diesel.
I think it's 12 cars driving. What do you think, Emily?
What do you think, Emilian?
It's a tree.
3.
What's the tree doing? It's on the road. Ooh. Danger, danger. Tree on the road.
Cigarette.
On the train track is 3.
Dangerous.
On a horse. Ooh.
Woo.
It's dangerous for train.
Dangerous.
And for the horse. Also dangerous for the horse. Ooh.
Dangerous.
Brakes. There you go. Fix the brakes. Choo-choo train is coming. Choo-choo-choo train.
Green.
Choo-choo train. Nice. There's a choo-choo train.
Yeah.
Nej, Salve. What's Emily doing?
It's
Putting
a
sign.
sign. That's disgusting.
It's disgusting.
Yeah.
I'm not sure about that.
Horses on the track. Going. Look, horses on the track.
Ah, then you have to stop.
Yeah.
Ask the horse to leave. Maybe he wants to leave.
I'm just.
There you go. Horse is leaving.
Oh,
That's
there's an
good.
animal.
Huh?
Look at this.
That's okay. There you go. It's a long, long, long train you have there.
Yeah, I have.
Ah.
Is this good?
And you have more train even.
Hmm.
There you have more train. In your hand. This one, here you have one more there. In your hand, Destiny.
It is.
You're holding one train. There you go. Yeah. There you go.
More.
Ah.
More.
One there. There you go.
It's more.
That's okay. What's Emily doing? Putting the man in the braids, Emily.
That's disgusting.
Why is it disgusting?
It's illegal.
Well, it's illegal, but
Stop.
ah,
It's raining.
yeah.